In the name of Allah, the most gracious, the most merciful, peace be upon you. Welcome to Rohaniya Cooking Channel. As you know, it's very hot, so we have come with a very excellent recipe suitable for the summer, which is Kulfi Ice Cream. Let's see how our recipe will be prepared quickly. You can make very creamy Kulfi ice cream at home on a very low budget.
First, we have taken this half kilogram of cream. It is easily available in the market. So you need to take this and freeze it well. After freezing, take it out in a large container and keep beating it with the help of a beater. You can also do this in a grinder, but we are beating it this way with a beater. See how nicely our cream is beaten. Now we have added condensed milk to it. You can also add homemade condensed milk. You can add condensed milk according to how sweet you like it. I have added about 4 to 5 spoons of condensed milk to it. See, add the condensed milk like this and keep running the beater continuously so that your ice cream becomes very creamy. The better you beat it, the better your ice cream will be. So you need to beat it very well and make sure to freeze it properly before beating the cream. Then when you beat it, your cream ice cream will turn out excellent. These are small tips I'm giving you. Make sure to follow them. Now we have added Kulfa Essence to it, 3 to 4 drops, or you can add a little more if you want. After adding this, we have beaten it well. See this like this. Look at how nicely our creamy ice cream is about to be ready. See how well we have beaten it, which is why our ice cream is becoming so creamy. Then we will add food color in a small amount. I have added orange food color to it. A little kulfi color will come into our ice cream. That's why we added it. Yeah, this is totally optional. You can add it if you want, or you can skip it. And when our ice cream is wonderfully creamy and ready, we have taken it out in this way into a disposable glass. You can also set it in a large bowl if you wish. See it on this way. Look how creamy our ice cream has turned out. Follow each step and watch the video carefully, and your ice cream will also turn out creamy like this, and the children will eat it happily. This excellent ice cream will be prepared at home on a very low budget and will be much more hygienic compared to outside. In this way, we will add sliced almonds on top. See, we have added all the almonds nicely, and we will show you after freezing it as well. After adding this, make sure to tap it so that there are no bubbles in between. So look, now we put it to freeze. See, our ice cream has set very well in a great way. I hope you liked our video. If you liked the video, please like it. If you are new to our channel, please subscribe. That's us, and leave a lovely comment, and we'll meet again in the next video. Until then, take care of yourself and your loved ones. Allah Hafiz.